The European Union's Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, or CBAM, is reshaping how metals like aluminum are sourced, priced, and valued. In this new landscape, Eccomelt356.2 gives Tier 1 suppliers a powerful way to stay cost competitive while meeting carbon regulations. CBAM puts a carbon price on imports of carbon-intensive products like aluminum. Suppliers must purchase certificates tied to the carbon embedded in their products. For Tier 1 suppliers, that means higher costs for high-carbon materials, pressure to cut Scope 3 emissions, and rising demand for supply chain sustainability. As CBAM phases in, high-carbon aluminum isn't just a sustainability risk, it's a financial one. The projected CBAM savings using Eccomelt356.2 versus green primary aluminum is approximately €313 per ton, and against the world average primary is €953 per ton, a tremendous savings. Eccomelt356.2 is a substitute for primary A356.2 or ALSI-7, made entirely from post-consumer scrap automotive wheels. It delivers a carbon footprint below 0.1 tons CO2 per ton, compared to 12 to 16 tons for primary aluminum, and full traceability and certification, essential for CBAM reporting and sustainability audits. Why switch? First, CBAM cost avoidance. Lower embedded CO2. Fewer certificates, real savings. Second, OEM appeal. Stand out as a low-carbon supplier. Third, future-proofing. Resilience against changing carbon rules. And fourth, transparency. Verified data for sustainability reports and customer declarations. Eccomelt356.2 meets, or exceeds, A356 specification and is already proven in demanding applications. With proper melt practices, it integrates smoothly into existing workflows. Plus, it's delivered in chunk form, not remelted ingot, maximizing carbon savings and cutting on-site energy use. In a CBAM-regulated world, aluminum becomes a strategic edge. Adopting Eccomelt 356.2 gives Tier 1 suppliers lower compliance costs, a stronger sustainability profile, better OEM alignment, and long-term competitive advantage. The era of high-carbon aluminum is ending. Ready to lead? Let's talk about samples, pricing, and carbon performance data tailored to your application.